Hey everyone, this is Mark Michael, CEO, co-founder of DevHub, a platform used by just over 226 brands to build over 2 million experiences, sites, landing pages, and whatnot. One of our most popular products is called RallyMind. You can go to rallymind.com and actually test it for free, and that's the page you're seeing right now. What I want to say is that this product really changed the game for marketers who are looking to build out a lot of pages and extend on their current CMS platform, right? So they wanted to add more pages for SEO, they wanted to add pages related to promos, they wanted to add pages that, extended locations. And that's what I'm talking about today. So if you see, I've selected location focused. And what you can see here is that, if I update the street address, let's just say 2101 4th Avenue, and you'll see that updated, right there, 2101 4th Avenue. This is a very simplistic model. Let me show you what it looks like behind the scenes. So behind the scenes, what happens is this is what we call a core template, right? Template sometimes is a bad word, whatever. And this is for the example of, location pages. And what you'll notice here is that this is site builder. This can be branded toward your organization, or if you're an agency or a marketing technology company, that can be branded toward you. And what you'll see is this core template is then connected to a Google Sheet. So all of these, what we call variables or macros, are essentially a new cell in a row, and every new row is a new page. So once you dial in the basic look and feel, custom alert banner, maybe location name, who a manager might be, integrations with a menu, promos, your day in the life to spin up a new page is simply a Google Sheet. And all you're doing is you're editing that row, those cells in that specific row, to update the page. And the page looks like this. So, again, this all transpired because of COVID and whatnot, or this example actually, you can see the banner here at the top, pages, if you're changing the address, all of this can be controlled right there from the sheet. So you no longer need to sign into your CMS. You can basically build the pages right there from a Google Sheet, and a lot of them. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to be doing more of these videos, but I wanted to share that with you. Peace.